This is week 3 in your WIG packet. The story is an excerpt from Can Do, Jenny Archard. Question number 8. Look at this chart. Mrs. Pike tells the class about a contest. Jenny imagines herself as a movie actress. Blank. Jenny and Beth agree not to fight. Which detail from the story belongs in the empty box? F. Jenny remembers watching a film strip. G. Jenny makes a drawing in her notebook. H. Jenny tells Beth she wants to make a movie. J. Jenny and Beth shake hands with each other. Remember, go back and prove your answers. Number 9, read this sentence from paragraph 15. The whole class was buzzing now. This sentence shows that the students in the class were A, eager to go to lunch, B, nervous about collecting cans, C, curious about the details of the contest, D, excited about Mrs. Pike's news. Remember, go back and prove your answers. You can pause this recording. 10. Read this dictionary entry. Admit. Admit. Verb. 1. To accept as a member of a group. 2. To allow to go into a place. 3. To allow to use as proof in a courtroom. 4. To agree that something is true. Which meaning most closely matches the word admitted as it is used in paragraph 22? Go back and read paragraph 22 with the word admitted. Is it meaning 1, F, G meaning 2, H meaning 3, J meaning 4? 11. Read these sentences from paragraph 28 and 29. Jenny shook Beth's hand. May the best can collector win, she repeated. As long as it's me, she told herself. These sentences show that Jenny, A, believes that Beth will make a good movie director. B, will do what is needed in order to win. C, likes to encourage her friends to participate in school activities. D, knows that Beth will not keep her promise to remain friends. 12. Read the following list. Why Jenny wants to be a director. 1, she can create a good story. 2, blank. 3, she can tell everybody what to do. Which detail from the story belongs in the blank? F, she can make new friends in class. G, she can draw pictures to use in the movie. H, she can earn an award for her movie. J, she can choose who she wants to be the actors. 13. What is the best summary of this story? A. Jenny's teacher tells the class that she has exciting news. Jenny starts to draw a picture in her notebook. Her teacher then tells the class about a can collecting contest. Jenny and Beth like the idea. B. Jenny's class will collect cans for a contest at their school. The students who collect the most cans will win the contest. Jenny and her friend Beth are both determined to win. C. Jenny wants to be the director of the class movie. She says she has always wanted to direct a movie and thinks she will be good at it. She asks her friend Beth if she would like to be in the movie. D. Jenny is happy when her teacher tells the class about a contest. The whole school will collect empty tin cans to sell to a scrap metal dealer. The class that collects the most cans will win the contest. 14. Jenny decides that she shouldn't argue with Beth because she, F, does not want to make Mrs. Pike angry. G, wants to share the role of a director. H, does not want to lose Beth as a friend. J, thinks they can both make a movie. 15. Why does Jenny start drawing in her notebook when Mrs. Pike says that she has news for the class? A, Jenny thinks the discussion will not be interesting. B, Jenny's too busy thinking about the contest to listen. C. Jenny is too upset with her best friend Beth to listen. D. Jenny does not like being told what to do. Remember, go back and prove all your answers. Good luck.